Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating the Franck audition spot. So this is, if I counted right, it starts at letter O, the audition spot, and ends on the first beat of 3 after P. Letter O, I mean, that's not hard. I'm going to be concentrating here on the next page where all those 16th notes that start. Okay, I'm not going to play all of it that fast. I'm going to go through it slowly, and I'm going to show you how to practice it. Okay, because you have the fingerings. I sent the fingerings to you. So now you just really kind of need to watch what I'm doing. I have my camera angled so that you can see my fingers and not my beautiful face. So, okay, so you have this pattern several times where you're going to go 3 1 3 1 1 3 1, and instead of doing a 4, you're going to go up to 4th position, da 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 da, so you can catch that E, and then you got to do a quick shift back, bum bum. Okay, so it looks like this. Whoop. So you have that a few times. So practice that over and over. And just stop on that. Check your open D. Okay? All right, so then you have, let's see, it's kind of straightforward. Then the next line, then you do 4, then you got to reach your 1 back, okay, because you have a C sharp, you have your E, you have a C sharp, you have a B flat, so you got to reach back, and then your G, and then an F sharp, you just go down a half step. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so that's that part. Now I'm going to skip, because the other notes, like in the next couple lines, it's just kind of a matter of working through the shift and a couple weird notes. Actually, let's start at the 1, 2, 3, 4th line. Okay, so here you're going to be in 2nd position. The measure before, the last line, last measure of the 3rd line. You're going to shift to 2nd and play that F again with your 4. So it's much easier to do that than all these string crossings, okay? So then shift to 3rd. Then a whole step. From an F natural to a D sharp is a whole step. Then open E. Then you have a B sharp, which is like a C natural. Then a C sharp. Okay, then the 5th line, So let's see, you're in third position. Shift. And it's you're kind of just doing an extended 4. Then you shift down. Okay, so first measure of the 5th line. Okay, so I'm going to kind of, let's see, I'm going to play the top of the line to a 3 after P, and I'm going to go slow, okay, and then I'm going to go back and show you how to practice it, okay? Sorry. Okay, so sorry, a little flub up in the middle of there. So here's how you practice. This is how I would practice this to get it, you know, kind of up to tempo as quick as you can, I guess. So I would play the first group of 4 and then pause. Next group of 4, pause. So ba da 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 da. So doing this. And when you do that, don't do like all 5 lines of it that way. Do, you know, 2, 3, 4 measures, you know, maybe play the first measure and stop on beat 1 of the next measure, like that. Okay? Then do the next measure. And do that a few times. Then do those 2 measures together. Okay? And, you know, so you practice one measure and end on the first beat of the next measure. And then you do that measure, and then you connect them. You start connecting these smaller chunks into bigger chunks. Okay? Now, the other rhythm, then flip it, okay? So then you're gonna go like ba 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 bum 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 bum, and when you do that, it gives your fingers that need to shift really quickly a chance to learn how to shift quickly on those, because some of those shifts come really fast. So you're going I can't remember which one I started with. You know, so you're going, then you're going, then pretty soon, as you can do that quicker and quicker, then you should be able to play all of them together, all, you know, even 16th notes. So that's a spot, like when I just did that, and I went, okay. So then I stop, and I do that rhythm again on that measure. Okay, and do that again until you can play that, and then switch the rhythm. Whoop, see? Okay, do that again and again. So that's how you practice that spot, so you can get it, you know, quicker and closer to tempo. All right, so there's that.